Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to attempt to remove these old acrylic toenails that I have. They're not really lifting off. Like this one is just like a little tiny bit, but yeah, I'm going to try to take these off using that like viral hack that I've seen. I saw it on Instagram. I know it's from TikTok, but I'm not on there, so I saw it on Instagram. Anyway, you just use like warm water, cooking oil, and some dish soap. So I have all that right here, so I'm going to try to soak them in there and see if that will easily take them off without having to file them a whole bunch and soak them in the acetone. Now, one of the videos I did see, they said that it was for press-on nails only, and then, other ones said it works for acrylic, so I'm just going to give it a try and see how it works. So let's get started. Here, this is just like a container thing that I have. I got this at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to use that. Here is my warm water. Pour some of that in. It is actually kind of hot, so I'll let that cool down for a while. Next, I'm going to add my oil. This is like 1/3 of a cup right here. I'm not sure how much to add. That's most of it. And then I've got my dish soap right here. And I'll just add some of that. And I'm gonna stir this. Oh my gosh. And it's really hot. I'm gonna let this cool off for a second, and then I'm gonna start soaking. I put them in. I'm just gonna put some cuticle oil just like right on there, just to, I don't know, help it out a little bit. That's what they did in the videos. So you can just put that all around the nail. Hopefully that'll make it come off faster. I don't know. Yeah, so I have 7 toenails on there. The ones that have came off, they don't just like pop right off. It usually like gets ripped off and damaged. So that's like one downside of having putting the acrylics on your toenails. But I mean, your toenails can get ripped off without having anything on there, so yeah, there's that. These are nice and oiled up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start soaking them now. Let me grab this. So this is still pretty warm, but it's cooled off a lot, so okay, feels good. Okay, so I'm just soaking them. Ow, it's pretty hot. Yeah, I'm gonna soak these for like 10 minutes, and we will see how they are. So it's been like 6 minutes. These things are not really not moving yet, okay? Oh wait, that one's like kind of lifting more, but it was already oh hey. Oh my god, it just came off. That was only one though, and I think this one was lifting. So like this is not coming up. So I'm gonna keep on soaking these, I guess, for like a few more minutes. I'm not gonna go like much over 15, because 15 minutes you can use acetone, but I guess I haven't filed the top or anything, so that takes time. But I can't soak these for 20 minutes in water. That's crazy. So I'm gonna give these a couple more minutes and see how it goes. Okay, so it's been 15 whole minutes. I have to take my feet out of here. 15 minutes, and it did not work. Nope. Ow. Yeah. Yeah, it didn't work. Ow! Oh my god, jeez. Yeah, it did not work. So, yeah. in conclusion, it does not work. And, ow, I don't know. Does it work? To me, this doesn't work to me because I just ripped them off. Ah! So, maybe it did work. I guess it kind of worked. Ow. Tell me if this is working. If you think this worked, tell me in the comments. Yeah. I don't think I'll do this again. Well, the soaking. Water soaking. I think it is for press-on nails. I don't know. I wonder. I saw another video where it looked like the girl had polygel on her nails, and it seemed like that kind of worked. Definitely easier than this. She wasn't having to rip them all off like I just did. So yeah. Let me know if you think I should try it again with a set of polygel nails. And yeah, tell me if you guys would try this or if you think it's a terrible idea. I kind of think it's a terrible idea, but yeah, let me know if you guys try it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. My toes are like just all pruny, whatever, from the water. But yeah, they're off at least, so time for a new set. Thanks for watching. If you watched this, like and subscribe and tell me what you guys think.